I was looking like a fool when I met ya, all covered up in the dirt from my past. So insecure about myself when I met ya.
Hi guys, welcome back to Organize with Ev. Just wanted to thank you guys for stopping by to my channel. For today's video, I did a nighttime whole house clean with me. This video was actually recorded last Friday night, so I figured with everything closed, what better way to bring in the weekend than with a little cleaning. So let's get into the video. So what you see me doing here, I took all the items from the kitchen and in the living room that didn't belong in those two locations and just placed it on this entryway table. So when doing a whole house clean with me, I like to start off at either the front or the back of the house. That way I don't feel like I'm all over the place. So the way I like to do it is I just go from room to room. So you'll see me here taking all the different items that was from that table and taking them into the room. I don't necessarily go into the room to clean them, but I just toss those items in that room so that way whenever I get to that room, I can just worry about that then. Also wanted to mention, I know you're probably thinking this does take more time to do rather than just putting a pile on the table or on the floor and then coming back to it later, but I promise you this method actually works and it will definitely cut down your time as far as cleaning, especially if you're cleaning multiple rooms. So try it out and let me know in the comments below. So the next room I'm going to work on is our guest bathroom. It is a fairly small bathroom, so all I'm going to do is just wipe down the sink because I did detail clean the bathroom. I think it was last weekend, so I'm just going to wipe everything down and then you'll see me using Mrs. Meyer's, and that's the all-purpose cleaner. So you'll see me using that throughout the video. So this right here is our guest bedroom. So this is basically like our catch-all room to where like when the laundry's finished, we just place all the clothes on the bed right before we fold them. This is also my office space for school and for YouTube. So just wanted to tidy this room up and wipe it down.
I've got 30 minutes if you wanna spill your mind. Give me all your reasons to why I should take my time. Used to have forever, but you never cared that much. Just tell me why.
So this is Eleni's room. So if you've been following me for a while, you'll notice that we've changed it around quite a bit. I'll definitely put more details in my home tour that's coming soon. But we actually purchased a loft bed for her and we just repainted it. She definitely loves it. So underneath it, you'll see her toy chest, and then on the top is her actual bed.
Seconds to
Also want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel here. I post videos weekly about organizing, lifestyle, and cleaning. So if you're looking for that type of motivation, you'll definitely enjoy this channel. And don't forget to hit the notification bell so you'll get notified every time I post new content. So I noticed when I was placing things back into the nightstand, it was definitely getting out of control. So I just want to tidy this space up.
He got me high above, like the sun by the moon. He's a star, baby. I'm lighting up. Like a fool, it's true, it's true. He's making me blow my mind and I can't stand the thought of being without us. I'm being honest, y'all, I'm being honest. We just do what we do, ain't no joke about love. He's the one that I die for. Can't so long, side by side, can't believe that he is mine. We just do what we do, my heart is beating even faster, faster. He got me feeling like I'm ready for anything, look at me go. Oh, mellow, mellow, mellow. He got me feeling like I'm ready for anything, look at me go. Oh, mellow, mellow, mellow. He make me feel like the type of fire that burns from within, shining like I'm made of gold. I shine, it's true. He's making me jump from high ground, keeps catching me every time I fall. He got me safe and sound, safe and sound. We just do what we do, ain't no joke about love. He's the one that I die for. Can't so long, side by side, can't believe that he is mine. We just do what we do, my love, my heart is beating even faster, faster. He got me feeling like I'm ready for anything, look at me go. Oh, mellow, mellow, mellow. He got my love.
I don't know if this goes for anybody else, but our clothes for some reason never end up in the hamper. So that's something we need to work on as a family. But that's all I'm going to do here is straighten up the bathroom, wipe down the sink, and make sure the tub looks clean. Not definitely a detail clean today, but just wanted to straighten things up in here.
I can't stand the thought of being without us. I'm being honest, y'all. Yeah. He's making me jump from high ground, keeps catching me every time I fall. He got me safe and sound. My love, my heart is beating even faster, faster. He got me feeling like I'm ready for anything, look at me go. Oh, mellow, mellow, mellow. He got my love, he got my love, he got my love. He got my love, he got my love, he got my love. It isn't hard to tell what you were thinking, babe. Your thoughts are only getting louder. While you are up in space, I sit here by myself. Are you gonna spill the truth or waste your life away? Sitting on your fingertips, so I know what you'll say. Baby, don't bother, you know it hurts anyway. Don't bother.
So while I had you guys on the video, I wanted to go ahead and give you some laundry motivation to get that done today. I know that the weekend is usually a catch-all for everyone with laundry, and I definitely recommend doing so that way you don't have to worry about it during the week. Now I know if you have a bigger family than 3, then that might not be the case, but just wanted to give you guys a little motivation to get that laundry done. So last but not least, I'm going to finish by mopping the floor. I did just purchase an e-cloth mop where you just add water. So hopefully by the next video or the next 2 videos, I'll give you guys a review on that to let you know how it works on laminate flooring. So don't click off yet. I'm going to show you how the rooms turned out at the end. So let's finish mopping and then I'll show you that. So here's how everything turned out. All rooms tidied up and ready to go, and I was definitely able to sleep a little bit better that night. Thank you guys again for watching. I do have another video coming out on Sunday. It is my clean and decorate with me, so I hope you guys can stay tuned for that, and until next time.
We hold on, but now it's over. It can't be over.